what I have here today is a cordless leaf blower from the company Tietoc, maybe is what that is. And just looking over the box here, it's a 21 volt lithium ion battery in this thing, and it's got a brushless motor, 4.7 pounds, which is a pretty light when it comes to a little leaf blower here. And I've already taken it out, used it, kind of like went over it, and everything with it worked perfect. It was very easy to assemble. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to show y'all the parts and pieces I got here. You get different types of attachments, but what I had found, the best attachment is just this one right here. I know it sounds crazy. It seems like that one would work well, but I wasn't a big fan of that. They put in a piece to blow up like a pull ring or something like maybe an air mattress. You can stick that down there. I haven't tried that, but I'm sure it works just fine. You get 2 batteries with this. The charger is this charger right here. These are these chargers that plug into the top, right like that, and you can see that right there. And it comes with a battery that also gives you the juice indicator on the back of it there. Both of these are fully charged. I took them off and charged them in my battery charger. I have a charger that actually uses these, which I recommend getting one of those if you don't have one of those, especially if you get many of these tools right here. Pretty simple to install. You can see it just goes on like that. Each one kind of clicks into place, goes on like that, pops on. Now the tips, you can change each individual tip, goes on just like that. Actually, I did it upside down. You can do it different ways. There it is. So the words look just like that. There it is. See how simple I had that thing together? What I like is I can get it down, pack it in a pack pretty fast, and then it's ready to go. Now this is a trigger mechanism, so it can go either left and right trigger. So some of them, you know, it's a little harder to mash a button. The adjustment is over here, goes from 6 down to 1. So 1 through 6 on its adjustments. And I just run it on 6 all the time. You guys see that? Look at it, we got rid of all those parts. So let's go ahead, let's take it over here to the driveway, knock down some little grass and maybe some gravel and all that. And let's put the Tietoc to the test. Okay, we're over here at my driveway here. Let me go ahead. There's a little bit of gravel right here. You know what? If it can move some gravel, it can move some dirt. I've got it on 6, so let's roll it down the... You know what? 1 would probably be what I'd use for an air mattress or something, but we're gonna use 6. This steps always get a lot of stuff on it. You know what? It's not overly loud either. Through this dirt. Oh yeah, look at this. That worked great. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this 21 volt Tietoc at all, everybody. I think this is gonna be a great tool for my yard work here, especially when it comes to just kind of like blowing off driveways, sidewalks, porches, or something like that. Now, obviously, you're not gonna be able to do a big full-on commercial account with it, but you know what? That's not what it's for. It's for just kind of like small little yard work. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Tietoc 21 volt leaf blower. See y'all in the next video.